I'm Jono Buchanan. Now, within this episode, what we're going to do is finally, I think it's time, explore some extended jazz harmony. That's right. We're going to start with, let's think, where should we begin? Let's start with a sixth. This is G6. What we might then do is to move to kind of an F major, I don't know, 7, but maybe we'll put the 11 in there, but a sharp 11. Let's put a B in with the F major. Crunchy. Then maybe we'll put a kind of, we'll carry on descending, I think. A classic E minor 7 to a D minor 9. That's beautiful, isn't it? What could we do with jazz harmony like this? I know that's what you're thinking. Maybe, I don't know, we're going to need some sort of a melody. That's enough extended jazz harmony. Happy Christmas. Now, there are many things that I've learned about this channel, and one of them is that you guys watch these episodes just whenever, sometimes months later. So if it's the middle of summer next year, sorry, this message won't hit in quite the same way as if you are watching it on the day that it goes out. If you are, tomorrow it's Christmas Day. Are you excited? I bet you are. I am too. But mostly, obviously, what Christmas provides is an opportunity to say thank you. And that's what I'm going to do right now. What a year it's been. I almost wondered whether or not we could do a kind of 12 days of Christmas. 12 episodes about beat programming, 11 creative workflows, 10 rewiring of something else, but I don't think it quite works. But it has been quite the year. We have actually got some quite interesting numbers. We've done 3 live streams this year. Of course, because every week there is a new episode. If I take the 52 and take away the 3 live streams, I think that's 49 new episodes of YouTube content for you. Over at learn.Jono Buchanan Music, we've made courses in the kind of Essentials range, which are this kind of modular approach that we've taken to teaching you guys about production processes, discovering Logic Pro, the 3rd part of the Orchestral programming series, all to do with percussion. And you know what? Even maybe before the year end or very soon into 2026, there might be something new to talk about there as well. It's been an amazing year. None of this happens with just me sitting in a chair by myself. As always, what I want to do first of all is to thank Will, just the absolutely enormous silent partner of this channel. Everything he does in terms of, if you watch the live stream for episode 200, you'll know exactly what I mean when I say I need to thank Will, because goodness me, the intro to that's a lot of fun. And I also need to thank Matt too, who's come on board this year to help sort of drive the kind of courses stuff that we're doing over on Teachable as well. But mostly I need to thank you guys. This remains a community I'm intensely proud of. The ideas that you come up with, the encouragement you provide via the comments every week on YouTube is amazing. There's so much positivity around it. Anyone who's joined a live stream this year, thank you so much for coming and being a part of that. And of course, if you've supported the channel by buying a course, enormous thanks. It's a huge part of what we're sort of trying to do in terms of furthering all of the knowledge and sort of ideas that we can kind of put in front of you guys in terms of hopefully improving your music making and taking you to places that you haven't been before, and sort of picking up little knowledge gaps, all of the things that just make us all kind of improve every day and keep all of this stuff interesting and kind of ticking over. So firstly, I hope you have an amazingly restful and relaxing Christmas. Go and enjoy your friends and your family and be part of all of that. It's such an important time of year from that perspective. But mostly, thank you. More to come. Good things are happening. And 2026, well, who knows what lies ahead. Happy Christmas.